Assalamualaikum 10th class. Today we will do the exercise of Unit 1, Hazrat Muhammad and embodiment of the justice. Come to exercise vocabulary. A exercise. Give the meaning of each words as they are used in the lesson. First word is model. Model means example, pattern, design. Second, piety, neki, that is holiness, goodness. Next, eternal, abdi, हमेशा रहने वाली, everlasting, endless. Earn, to gain, to achieve. Won, obtain, हासिल करना. Sermon, खुतबा, address, speech. Next word is revenge. Revenge, इंतकाम, बदला, that is retaliation. Commandment, हुक्म, अल्लाह ताला का हुक्म, हुक्म इलाही, a divine command. Upheld, बरकरार रखना. Maintain, supported, sustained. Destitute, मोहताज. Poor, deprived, penniless. Proclaimed, ऐलान फरमाना, announced, declared. Gave out, transcend, बढ़ जाना, मारवा हो जाना, आज़ाद हो जाना. Go beyond, rise above, excel. Equitable, fair. Ancestors, above अजदाद, forefather. Foe, enemy, दुश्मन. Firm, साबित कदम. Persistent, glorious, शानदार. Lustrous, splendid. Our next exercise is types of noun. As we have early did different types of noun, in this chapter we will describe two types of noun, that is concrete noun and abstract noun. Concrete noun, as its name show, it is also known as a material noun. It is a name of some concrete or solid thing, a thing which we can touch, which we can see. For example, the revenge of the father cannot be taken on his son. Father and son both are solids. We can see, we can touch both persons. In the second example, wash my car please. Car is also a solid thing. We can touch it, we can see it. Next, you need not open the door. Door is a concrete noun. I bought a pen, a notebook and a table. Pen, notebook and table, all three have solid body, solid shape. So concrete noun is a noun in which we can see or touch a thing, or we can have a solid shape of that thing. Next is the abstract noun. Abstract noun, it does not qualify a body or a shape. They do not have any solid state. It refers to ideas, thoughts, qualities or feelings. Example, he decided their case with equity and justice. Equity and justice are feelings. They do not have any solid shape. We cannot see that, we cannot point out that this is the shape of equity, or we can see equity in front of us. It is just a feeling. Beauty needs no ornament. Again, there is no solid shape of beauty. Beauty is just feeling. Greed is a curse. Greed is a curse. लालच की कोई शेप नहीं है हमारे सामने. ये हमारी फीलिंग्स हैं जो हम दूसरों से को फील करते हैं, या हमारे हम उसको थॉट्स में आती है. pride hath a fall. Both these things don't have any solid shape. Come to the exercise. She puts in much effort. Here she puts in effort. Effort is a abstract noun. It is a work she is doing, but it does not have any solid shape. Into her studies, as she wants to score good marks. In this sentence, both effort and studies are abstract noun. These are the nouns which do not exist in front of us. Second, they recommended him for his justice and truthfulness. Justice and truthfulness are again examples of abstract noun. Third one, keeps the balls in that basket. Now ball and basket both have a solid shape. We can touch the ball, we can touch the basket, we can also see them. So they are material noun or concrete noun. The dishonest trader is losing the trust of his customer. Now, the trader and customer, both are material or concrete noun, but the trust is abstract noun. He did not take good care of his pet. Care is an abstract noun and pet is a material noun. So keep in your mind that those things which have a solid shape, which we can see or touch, they are known as material or concrete noun, and abstract nouns are just our feelings and thoughts, expressions. They do not exist in any shape in front of us.